Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about picking the geolocations from IP address from Python. So why I have decided this, actually I was working on one project and I found this thing very interesting. So I thought let me share it. So what's background? Background is we have one IP address, okay? Whosoever accessing the website. So there is one script going on our website, which is Microsoft Clarity, and it gives us the IP address of the user from which area he is accessing it. So rest of the information we don't know, only the IP address related to the geo things. So in our Python and in our rest of the coding, we want to understand where from he is accessing or she is accessing, and what is the region, country, and the location and time zone, everything we want to know. So for that, we have an API. We have multiple API in the market, but this thing I used it. It's very good. And what it is, it just sending this API with one IP address in between, and it sends back the JSON file. And we are using this urllib request to send this URL or this API request and getting the response in the JSON form. And in the end, once we have a JSON, we are using JSON.load so that the whole JSON converts into the dictionary, Python dictionary. So we can utilize in the rest of our coding. So let's just understand through coding. Yeah. We are calling urllib request.url and JSON load. Then we are writing a small function which is picking underscore geolocation, and this particular if we are not sending any address, it will give the information about your local machine, so which we don't want actually. But for the just error handling, we are just giving this if condition also. So in case of else, this address which we are sending to this function, as we talked in the last slide, so it will be in between the whole link, and the URL open, which is our Python library, will send this API and receive the information. All the information will be in this res, and it will be in JSON form, and once we load it, it will convert into dictionary. So this dictionary will be passed to the the function, return to the function. Now we are having one IP address, and we want to understand this where from and what is the location, what is the city, what is the time zone, everything we want to understand. So we'll call this function, okay, and understand. So see this IP address, the host name, this is the host name, this is a city, this is a region, country, location, this longitude and latitude, this organization from which the internet is coming, the postal address of that location, time zone, and readme. This is related to the API machine. Now going further, another IP address we are checking. This is also the same from this another one, which is from Karnataka, India. So hope you are understanding how simple it is. Just we should have an IP address, sending that IP address to the API with the API, and the API will send back the JSON file and will convert that JSON into the dictionary, and this dictionary we can utilize in our coding. So most of the information we are getting. Hope you enjoyed this and got the new knowledge about this geo location from IP address. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.